How to add music to Instagram story even if it's not available. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your story option at the top left corner of the screen. Now you can just click a picture or add some videos and then tap on this music section at the top right corner of the screen. So here you'll be able to see all the music to your Instagram story. Now, if you do not have certain songs that are not available or something like that, what you can simply do is you can just go back to your profile and then tap on the three dotted lines or rather hamburger icon at the top right corner. That will lead us to settings and activity. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of creator tools and controls. So simply select on that and you can see the option of switch account type. So tap on it, and if you have a professional account, you can just switch to your personal account over here, and you have a personal, you can switch to professional account. And when you change the account type, that also gives access to add music to Instagram story even if it's unavailable. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.